Good day. My name is Angelica Ripinos Reyes from 1BCRI-1ARV11. The line or the message from the video that stuck with me the most is if you want to make a world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make a change. Because if you want to have a better place, you need to change yourself first. Because the change is all about ourselves. Because if we don't change, we're just waiting for nothing. Change is not about something that happens overnight or by wishing for it. It requires a conscious effort and self-awareness when we recognize our own flaws and work on improving them. We set an example for others to follow. Change begins with small steps, whether it's being more patient or more responsible. And this individual effort could continually create a effect that can transform communities and eventually the world. So this message encouraged us to stop blaming. Instead, it encouraged us to take ownership of our action and decision. We need to be active participant in creating positive change rather than passive observer.